Hiya, welcome back to the channel. So we have a MK6 Golf in front of us, and well, there's an issue with it where if I do this, nothing happens. If I press this, the indicators flash, but nothing else happens. So that means, well, I'm suspecting it's an issue with the boot latch, and I've got a new one for it, but I've got to go open it first. Which means I've got to get inside the car, make the way to the back of the boot, put my key in this hole, and then slide it to the left, and push the boot, well, slide it to the left. So now we've succeeded in breaking into our own car. We can see that we've got a latch here, and after 5 minutes on Google, these are prone to fucking up. So I bought a new one. High quality product off eBay was about a tenner. But to get to that, I need to take this off, which there are two T25s here, which I'm pretty sure is what's holding it on. So I'm going to take them off. Yes. And now with them out, I'm expecting that if I pull on this, it should actually come out something like that. And then, yes. So you need an 8mm multi-spline bit. Let's remove these two bolts. And remove them. And then when I pull this off, I'm hoping that I can get to, there is a plug there, but the wire's a little bit shorter than what I'm hoping for. And hopefully, if I stick a screwdriver into, yes, into there, then that should come off. Which fortunately it did. So let's get our new one and then reverse the process. I might need 2 hands for this, to be honest with you, because I'm going to have to get that plug. And that is now plugged in. I'll be honest with you, that wire is just the right length to make it difficult. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just fondle that there to open the latch, so that now when I shut the boot it won't be shutting on a closed latch. So let's put these 2 bolts back in and then torque them up as required. And then we've got this trim that needs to go back on. So you can see there, we need to line that up. Just line up all the holes as you go along, and then just push it on. Yes, and obviously not forgetting these 2 very important screws. And then fingers crossed, if I shut that, it lets me open it again. Yes. Yes. So that, well, that is now working. So that means that we've successfully fixed it. So anyway, that's all for this one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all usual shit, and I'll see you next time.